Let's go. Come on. Come on. Level.
So one of the hardest things when I was growing up was learning how to go shopping on my own. It was actually one of my fears going off to college, leaving my parents' house and not having anyone around me was, how was I going to go shopping? So today I'm going to take you on a wonderful journey of shopping with my buddy here, my co-pilot, Chewie, and we're going to show you how it's done. Okay, so here we go. Chewie is the answer to all of my prayers when it came to shopping because he helps me to carry items, as you will see here.